Hey guys, Aaron Williams here at MarineMax Jupiter, bringing you a brand new model from Scout. This is the 288 LXF. It's a 2026. We've got this boat packaged with twin Mercury 300 horsepower V8s. We're gonna take a look inside the boat. I'm gonna show you all the cool features that this boat has to offer and on this brand new model. Starting here at the transom, we've got a nice big walkway, all one step. So there's no deviations. All the rigging is cleanly placed right down into the boat here. We do have a dive door on this side, and then we've got another dive door here to port. So allowing you to either board the boat or bring your day's catch on or load all your goodies. Back here we have a really large live well. So you have access on either side. And then we've got a two-person lounger right here facing forward. So you're gonna see the summer kitchen or bait prep station or the margarita zone. So we've got a freshwater sink, tackle storage, and of course a trash can here. Yeti cooler, it is removable, so you can take it with you if you want to go onto the beach or sandbar. And then we've got another drawer here. You can never have too much storage on a boat. We've got in-floor live wells to port and starboard, rod holders, rocket launchers. So you can use this boat for fishing, going out, catching whatever you want, or taking the family out, friends, going to the sandbar, and really utilizing this boat as a ultimate day boat. So we'll move to the Helm, where I'll show you some really neat features that we've added onto this boat. One thing I do want to point out is this boat is equipped with the carbon fiber T-top. It is all exposed carbon, so it just gives it a really unique, sporty, luxury, high-end look. So we'll take you over to here. I'll show you all the features that the Helm has to offer. So starting here with the leading post, we do have a really great position here for either the captain or the passenger to be back tucked in behind the glass here. Great line of sight, and of course we have grab handles and footrest. But when you're ready to get into relax mode, you can pop this seat down, and now you've got a great position with an armrest to be able to relax, enjoy the ride for any type of cruising or maybe a Bahamas crossing. So we've equipped this boat for the ultimate driver. We've got a 24-inch Garmin screen. Now this will give you all of your connectivity through the battery management, your digital switching for all your lighting, and all of your engine data, and obviously your maps, radar, fish finder, everything go through there. You can split the screen into 4 sections, so you can utilize this one large screen as 4 individual screens, which really does come in handy, displaying all your information at one time. So we've got phone chargers to port and starboard, so passenger and captain can both have power. And we've got our Mercury binnacles here. Joystick piloting system, which is going to give you your heading hold, sky hook, autopilot, and that low speed maneuvering. And then Scout is equipped with the zip wake system. This is an automatic trim tabbing system that works extremely well for this boat. So I'm going to show you the head area here. So for a 28-foot boat, I think you get a very well accommodated head. And then you also have access to your control panel and your battery switches. The cool thing with these Scouts is they have the battery panel here. You can push the button to turn on the systems, but they also give you a key fob. So you can literally press a button and turn all the power on. You can control the lights from the remote. So you could have it on your keychain. When you come up to the boat, you press the power button, everything kicks on and welcomes you onto your Scout. And then moving forward, really great walkway space. We've got enough space for 4 adults to sit facing forward up here in the bow. So you've got 2 on the lounger and 2 up here. Now it's a great big U-shaped seating area. So when it is a social zone, you can have people sitting here and all the way around. And then we do have in-floor storage underneath the seats, and then a nice large garage here, so you can chuck all of your dock lines, fenders, life jackets, buckets, fishing gear, anything you want to take. This boat has a spot for it to go. And then moving forward here, you can see we have access to our windlass anchor system under here. Really cool is you have push buttons for the windlass anchor here hidden under these stainless steel latches. And then one of my favorite features you could ever have on any boat is rod holder, cup holder combos. So right up front here, you've got cup holders, but it also has a place where you can put a rod, or for your sunshade that you can stick in here. And then attached to the roof, you could have a couple different variations on what you could use this for. They're just very versatile. And then we'll move around to this side of the helm. So in here we've got storage for either rods or brushes, your cleaning brushes, your boat poles, boat hooks, anything that you need to store away. You can have instant access to it right inside of here. And then of course we have our battery charger plug. It's just a simple extension cord plug, goes right in, charges the battery systems, and keeps your boat at 100%. So thanks for joining me on that quick walkthrough of this brand new model, the 288 LXF from Scout. This boat is equipped very well. It is located at the MarineMax Jupiter location. If you want to come and see this identical boat here at the store, come on down to MarineMax Jupiter. If you want to see some other boats like it, we can show you what we have here in our inventory. Just come on down, ask for Aaron. We'll be happy to get you guys out on the water.